Welcome to the Texas Connector virtual tour. Texas Connector is an online interactive mapping tool that provides a snapshot of social service needs and resources in the state of Texas and includes a panoramic view of Texas nonprofits. Texas Connector was developed by the One Star Foundation to help give insight into the challenges facing Texas communities and how to strengthen the current social service landscape. This tool utilizes current organizational data from 211 Texas, GuideStar USA, and demographic and socioeconomic data from the U.S. Census Bureau, as well as a variety of other updated datasets. Log in or create an account at texasconnects.org. Use the tab on the top right-hand corner to log in or create an account. Type in your email address and password and press the button to log in. After logging into the members homepage, click on the View the Map button. We're now on the mapping tool. Let's get started in learning how to use the basic functions. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner of the tool, you'll see a checkbox under Options called Show Tooltips. When this box is checked, you can mouse over features of the tool and it will give you a brief explanation of that feature. The top left corner is home to the Zoom and Pan buttons. Select the plus or minus to zoom in and out. You may also use the Switch Base Map menu to change the underlying map on the tool. In the top right-hand corner of the tool, you'll see a search box titled Zoom to Location. Begin by typing any kind of location, a zip code, a county, a city, congressional or state district, or even a street address. Wait for the recommended options to appear and then select the location you are interested in learning about. Let's go to Houston. Your map will automatically zoom to that highlighted geographic area. A gold question mark will appear over the area. When you click on the mark, it contains a brief description of the population from the 2010 census. Click on More Details to find the full census form for that area. The question mark also contains social, income, economic, housing, and veteran-specific profiles. Clicking on any of these profiles will pull up an extended report of the most recent American Community Survey results. You'll also notice that there is a link to view a report about organizations in this area. But first we must load some selected organizations onto the map. Begin by typing a keyword, service type, or organization name into the search box on the right side panel titled Organization Type or Name. The keyword food, for example, will pull up a number of services to do with food and hunger, such as food pantries, voucher programs, and more. Add the service categories listed in white to the map by clicking on them. Singular organizations will appear as blue dots and multiple organizations as red dots on the map. The search will also list any organizations in the area with the word food in their name. The Active Organizations panel that appears on the left side of your screen shows what organizations and types you have added to your map. Check or uncheck the boxes next to any of these categories or names, allowing you to isolate and repopulate the map. Sometimes service types and keywords can be tricky. For this, use the link for organization type over the search box. This will open a window that lists all the service categories used in our system and the number of organizations classified as a type or service provider. For example, if you are looking for service providers that can assist the elderly, you may want to try a variety of keywords. For example, elderly, senior, assisted, old, or aging, rather than relying on only elderly for your search results. If you cannot find what you're looking for in the map, you may need to zoom out to find organizations that provide the service type you are interested in mapping. To view the information about a specific organization on the map, simply click on the blue or red dot. When you select a dot by clicking on it, a box will appear with the name or names of organizations listed at that location. By clicking on the name of the organization in which you are interested, you will be given the basic information. You can also click on a link to get directions from any location to that organization using the Get Directions link. By selecting the More Details option, you can also see the full organizational profile. We can now return to the View a Report about Organizations in this area link located in the question mark. Selecting this link will allow you to generate a directory of all the service providers selected in the highlighted area of the map. This is available to download in multiple formats, including an Excel directory, using the folder with the green arrow. Back on the map, there is a drop-down menu under Showing Organizations that allows you to add all mapped organizations in the database to your screen. This is a good option if you are looking at a geographically small or remote area. Be sure to reset the menu to Active Favorites in order to use the keyword search function. To start over or begin a new location search, use the Map Tools menu on the top right of the map and select the option to Reset Map. Texas Connector has the ability to overlay numerous visual layers that provide a snapshot of needs and demographics across the state. You'll find these layers along the right sidebar near the bottom. The arrows next to each category reveal the available layers. For example, in the Boundaries tab, you can overlay counties. In the Population tab, you can demonstrate population density. When you select a layer, a color-coded key will appear on the map to guide your understanding of this information. In the Income tab, you can add layers like median income. Zooming or panning around the map will reveal concentrations of wealth in particular areas of the state. To demonstrate the education layer, let's zoom to the city of Austin using the Zoom to Location search. Add public schools to the map and they will appear as red squares. If you zoom in closer, we can also see school data by site or district, such as % of students eligible for free and reduced lunch. The transportation layer reveals public transit routes for the 4 major cities: Austin, Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio. Based on your zoom level, you can also see route names and individual stop names and numbers. To learn about the data source for any of these layers, select the blue eye icon next to the layer name in the side panel. Interested in an informal geographic area like a neighborhood or a radius? Return to the Map Tools menu on the top of the map. Selecting the Query a Point tool will allow you to click on the map and find information about any point. You can also use this tool to click on a school or bus stop for detailed information. Selecting the Query a Radius tool in the Map Tools menu allows you to create a custom zone from any point in increments from 500 feet to 10 miles. This can be useful in finding resources near a client's home or work address. The Query a Shape tool allows you to draw a custom shape on the map. Simply click to begin the shape and drag your cursor, clicking again to add corners and double-clicking to enclose the shape. This allows you to select organizations in a certain area of your screen but not others, and can be used for informal areas like neighborhoods. Lastly, the Query the Map tool allows you to generate information on the total zoom area of your screen. If you've created a custom map, you may want to share it with someone else or return to it at another point. Return to the Map Tools menu and select Email Map. Enter an email address and press Send. To print a copy of your map, select the Print Map option and choose your desired dimensions. To return to the member's homepage, select the last option in the drop-down menu. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Texas Connector. Be sure to check out the other features on the member's homepage, like the Census Report Generator and the Search for Organizations. Please see our website, texasconnects.org, for more helpful documents and information. If you need assistance beyond the website, you can email or speak to a team representative at texasconnects@onestarfoundation.org or 512-287-2036. The One Star Foundation is a 501c3 nonprofit whose mission is to connect partners and resources to build a stronger nonprofit sector in Texas. Learn more about the One Star Foundation at onestarfoundation.org.